Step into the world of tropical coziness, where thoughtful design meets lush serenity. This small tropical house is not just a home. It's a retreat that blends nature, elegance, and practicality. Join us as we explore how every corner of this compact space is infused with smart, sustainable, and stylish ideas for modern living. This house is a true embodiment of tropical living, natural materials, vibrant greenery, and a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Its compact size inspires creative solutions, ensuring every inch is as functional as it is beautiful. The highlights of this home are its harmony with nature and its emphasis on comfort. From a cozy living room to an inviting outdoor patio, this space is designed to make every moment feel like a tropical getaway. The entryway sets the tone, with earthy materials and a welcoming touch of greenery. A small bench, tropical artwork, and warm lighting make it both functional and inviting. The living room is a snug yet open space where modular furniture and tropical cushions invite you to unwind. It seamlessly connects to the outdoors, bringing the lush environment inside. The patio is a tranquil outdoor retreat where you can unwind and reconnect with nature. Designed with cozy rattan furniture and soft cushions, it invites you to relax with a book or enjoy a quiet moment. The space is framed by lush tropical plants, creating a private oasis. String lights and a small water feature add to the serene ambience, making it a perfect spot for morning coffee or evening gatherings. The outdoor space extends the charm of tropical living, blending functionality with natural beauty. This area is perfect for dining under the stars or lounging with loved ones. A wooden deck features a dining set with soft textiles, while a cozy seating area offers a relaxed vibe. The space is surrounded by vibrant greenery, and a subtle fire pit creates a warm, inviting atmosphere for evenings outdoors. This is where nature and design come together seamlessly to enhance your lifestyle. In the dining area, a natural wood table paired with sleek chairs creates a balance of style and function. Overhead, a woven pendant light adds character while connecting the space to its tropical roots. The kitchen combines efficiency with charm, featuring natural wood finishes and clever storage solutions. Open shelving adorned with potted herbs and tropical decor creates a warm, welcoming vibe. The tiled backsplash adds a splash of texture, while modern appliances blend seamlessly into the design. With ample natural light pouring in, this compact kitchen is as functional as it is beautiful, a true centerpiece for tropical living. step into the bedroom, a haven of tranquility where simplicity meets elegance. This space embraces the tropical aesthetic with natural textures and earthy tones, creating a serene ambience. A canopy bed draped in soft, airy fabric adds a romantic touch, while large windows bring in ample natural light and a view of lush greenery. It's the perfect sanctuary for rest and relaxation, blending comfort and style effortlessly. The bathroom is a serene sanctuary that brings the outdoors in. Natural stone tiles, a rainfall shower, and lush greenery create a spa-like atmosphere. A floating wooden vanity and a round mirror with soft lighting add a touch of elegance. Every detail is designed to offer a calming escape, making even daily routines feel indulgent and refreshing. Even in a small house, a dedicated workspace is essential. This home office is simple yet inspiring, with natural light, tropical decor, and an ergonomic setup. It's the thoughtful details that truly complete this tropical small house. From the woven pendant lights casting soft, organic shadows to the vibrant tropical throw pillows adding pops of color, every element is carefully chosen to enhance the home's character. Small decor pieces like handcrafted vases, textured rugs, and potted greenery tie the space together, making it not just a house, but a personal retreat where every corner feels warm and welcoming. This tropical small house is more than just a home. It's a celebration of simplicity, style, and a deep connection to nature. Every space, from the cozy interiors to the lush outdoor areas, has been thoughtfully designed to inspire comfort and serenity. The blend of natural materials, vibrant greenery, and modern functionality showcases how even a compact house can feel expansive and luxurious. This is a home where memories are made, and every day feels like a retreat. Thank you for joining us on this journey through a tropical, cozy haven. May it inspire you to create your own space where nature, simplicity, and elegance come together beautifully.